Oh my gosh, did you hear who's dating Claire?
No.
Okay, this psycho lunatic Brandon. I mean, what? Did she see in him?
No, I don't think so.
He's so gross. I know.
My neighbor used to date him.
What?
Oh my god, what is that?
A witch head.
Ooh.
Oh my god.
Check it out.
A witch! Emmy, a witch! Who is that?
I have no idea.
I'm scared.
I'm scared. Mommy, bring my teddy bear. I'm so scared.
Okay, listen. If you see any like dark colored blue on my pants, it's not pee, just a natural color, all right?
Oh, you're scared.
Yeah, the gray t-shirt on.
I'm so scared.
Where is it?
Sounds like she has a chainsaw.
There she is. Oh my god. My hatch.
I got you.
Claire? Is that you? No. Claire!
April Fools!
Claire!
So what if I'm dating Brandon?
Funny story. But, run!